Ali Mamen ko 29th July na so. Okay. Asamoah Gyan American nya Asamoah American for fame. But I Asamoah American sre Ghana sofo nyina. Ane Ghana sunsum sofo nyina ne wana waji sunsum ni tumi di wa Ghana nyina me di nyame di nsramo. Me di onyankopon mo buro ho esramo asra Awurade tumi hye Asamoah Gyan American enye for fame. Asamoah Gyan American enye for fame. But he can't the professional to abontain dada. And a friend manya kwanya me breaking yamaki to be down. I am calling on men of God. Asamoah Gyan I'm sorry. Ali on the 29th. With him, Adia maybe can and nanke see last week. Hey. Yes. Dia maybe can no nanke see last week. And now for one or two reasons, Onyamiwu yamobona Adia nensi. Now omu di Adia na kwa share on the 29th of July. From any moment from now to 29 July, a possible say betimi happen. I am calling on all men of God. A Christian for mo muchira comment di atem no mo munchire ni atem nyina. I am calling on everybody. Say dia me ba be kano. A conditional message na me de ba bonten. So we can do something about it. Na me kwama ho ade ntimi nyanti na man hye me dem. Ama ba bonten sra dodo ompae. Ali, there is going to be a plane crash in Ghana. The first time in the history of Ghana. There is going to be a plane crash Kumasi to Accra or Accra to Kumasi. That route, no. Till 29th July. Until 29th of July 2025. If prayer is not being made last week, the last week of April, no, and Anankashadi Anisi. And Wama full play from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of last week. They will testify to what I am saying. Ali, last week I read the favor. And yes, sir, Nanka a plane from Kumasi to Accra. Nanka Kwaku. I'm telling you. Now, that day, no, I was with my prayer team and we were praying. Last week in Soto Gidigidipa, Saturday in Soto, you know. And so na to a to for a reason. A danu nyamini hu yamobo. Anka pray kibenya the fact kebe record this ade en kesi twem. Na no nansi no ade na carry forward ko yanim. And the Christian for monpae. Asofo monpae wo de ogina sorry dem a fire prayer point say prophet be wo de don't believe menje me mindi wo de me personality no fa me to nchen but fa say prophet be a yanyini ni ye fa say me kura me bodam ni ana me konfo. Let's take it like that. Say bikram your bon some hunipa mejitum fanisa can the obeka but the young sha some na make the message. They just one word. Ali, if we don't pray as a nation, I am not the biamika say obi ko class ma obi have say envelope mu di amano. But when we speak, we don't expect anything from obia. I don't know me start me say I am not saying this for fame, but a very dangerous and ahead of us. Ali, a police for wo adwira ekwan so atebubu ekwan so
a highway pa
Ali every na Monday copy next 2 weeks Friday nyiri bambom there is going to be a very big robbing case pa be stop cars wo kwan so robo pa every na copy the next 2 weeks Friday yaji atebubu kwan na so Ali last week Sunday video no TikTok obi abetumi akose no awe dia me bekan me ya sorry shanam ade bi asi osofo brown no body ni yehfa dia si wo central region no winnie bad yes me kan ya kan no a number o TikTok o ni streaming live omo mu follow me nyina dia dance asi e wo se asi mienu baba ko ne de asi awie ya ho hwia enye ye car ne last number e petrol tanker any car bi she ne last number is 17. I mean me cut the car no number and I'm say no ne de asi but afternoon na chi no asim fosu sprinter mienu she benya accident e this week next week and untie mo no hompai. Ali, we are ready to speak for the nation but me de ne say ya ka asem na wie ne hia nipa no aboa yen anya sika. I am not saying chef from me with them. Nema me brown envelope and I say, Ali by his grace, and on birthday you were there. Me check out do I say, Makumako 5. by his grace a common yen. So we don't speak because of say we being fire and question them now home 100 cities and ya but we are speaking for the nation. Adia asem ni yatena Angel FM. Ali, adia ni yatena program we show na Angel FM. Aka fa Ghana ho ambem. Debi. Ali, but when we speak, people will attack your personality. Now Jimmy for ni eja asem na da ho. But when ni de me shira Christopher yenwanom kramofo nananom nsamanfo ne akonfo nyina yemmom pae sada na wiem begina din. Na ke yoman bia yetie di onyame kan yi a ke da no kran ke be stop niema bi odo mpa ye be hikwan ye nim sha anya adwuma but aduru ba bia ma yenje ye hu ni bebre na no me ne opani bi hia me mo ni di wo ye pani kase pa e wo Ghana ha wa santeman mu o se asam na wo kokan ye obodam ni bi be ka kire me na wo ba manim na mo so mo mane ma na obodam ni be kan ni say echime che wa asem no me obi de oyi ni Sunday me a me hu ya na me ko ajanan so me tie ajanan so nyina na me hwe na me yensa na afa me yam so fu ye me dance ni nipa na me kana asem ne nya ordinary nipa bi te so wo de what kire comment e di atem at least you know the kind of personalities are no more me dem ho ahimfuni mu atetiru ni abrempon adefo onyame ahira mo omo ne ye ka asem mu tie omo hunu di onyame de yen ye. Ali 29th of July, there is a danger coming for Ghana. But you bet me I be BS won. Ali Yanyina ye mompaye when ya kwanchere when you say yanko ye mompaye. Na yes say we go Bible say when Yankopon wiemu nya ne sachana. When fra radio onso bu on ma de ya no nya baye. Ye wo wiemu atumfo no mo contrast asi. I don't know 2024 election a omo ye rituals ni nyama bi akokɔ so ane mi petumi me found ni de besinsi de yan so da hyɛ nya tumi me kan ye to aba ni me kan me hyankom ka sha Mahama benya election no oba we ni with this point MPP be lose with this point me kan wa fidie we so echi no prophecy be ni aka emamu ba bi nam se after election no yanim anya kura afi we na ye wo no abosome mi ansa pe ana e papa wo de di kan ye me. They toss me August. They chat in November. They yes and busumi me and say we free 12 months anymore. They are kanyina yo yone. May, August and November. I don't know ya busumi me and say eh na even kra May we woman. Omo try some back class me ma bi o May we say.
Woman ye hwan
Ewiema atumfo the principalities.
Demons ahodro.
Ali the principalities. Omo na osoro ne asase no ma giafo. Ba ye de say yaketua bi enema akoso Ghana na li enwo anano be ka asem sie mompema South Africa Ghana fo wo ma be ka asem sie mompema la Ghana fo wo London ma be ka asem sie mompema ya my Ghana sa wo wani yesunsum ni a wonam na nipa asira woni se nipa mobo awon ni ye bibia se o my Ghana bibi besi na President Muhammad din abeda so anase sebi o yewura ote kokko so na ebi adin dia bebata ho anase ye po obi o wadin bi na adin dia bebata ho obi ani mu ho hwe
blame game na
obi ani mu ho hwe ali ba bia ya ba bedun let's do away with politics na ye nwini ye mind ho